Welcome to the world debut of the all-new and first ever Ram 1500 Ramcharger. What does this mean? Well, Ram is bringing back an older name in a new form. It's a pickup truck. It's all electric. It's also has up to 690 miles of total driving range. How? Well, yes, it has two electric motors, but it also has a gasoline-powered 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 under the hood, which is a range extender. Some people call it a series hybrid. I don't really like using the hybrid term because the gasoline engine is not connected in any way to the wheels. It's fully electric. So in this video, this is my first opportunity to go hands-on with this truck, and I can show you some stuff, but I still cannot show you everything because this is one of the prototypes of this truck, but this is my first time in person seeing it with you. So let's get going. This truck may look like a standard Ram truck. Well, this is not a standard truck. This is a luxurious tungsten edition, but the grille is very similar to other Ram 1500s. There is a couple of elements that tell you that something is hiding here that's kind of special. It's this light signature that goes from the headlamp towards the middle of the grille. Some of the grille is blocked off. It does not need a lot of cooling, and a brand new RAM badge. I cannot show you under the hood yet, but under there, like I told you, is that gasoline V6 that's being used as a generator basically for power. They're going to have several different trim levels of the Ramcharger, just like the standard Ram 1500 truck. So you could have it, tradesman, work truck configuration. You could have it as a bighorn, Laramie, limited, or tungsten, and maybe some others in the future. Now let's go around this way to the wheel. This is also a clue that something interesting is happening here. This is a 22, but it also has 8 lug bolts, 8 lug hub. So this, you would say this is a light duty truck. So how come does it have this? Well, it's a bit heavier, of course. I don't know the exact weight yet, the exact weight specifications of this truck. But it has also a very cool feature where some of these openings in the wheels are closed for aerodynamics. So that's quite interesting. And I see of course, a brake rotor behind it. So it has pretty massive brakes, pretty massive wheels and tires. Once again, this is the top of the line tungsten edition. Also, there's 2 energy doors. There's a charger door here. This truck is capable of up to about 145 kilowatts of level 3 fast charging, which is not class leading, but it may not need that because of that generator. And of course, fuel. Right here, there is a fuel door. It has approximately a 28-gallon fuel tank, which is quite large. And that's how it's able to extend that range to about 690 miles, which is basically current, diesel-powered pickup truck territory. On the inside, it looks like a tungsten truck because it basically is. I think this exact version of it is limited, and then there's tungsten above it. They're both very luxurious, have new technology, including 14.5-inch display and many other features that I can show you in a second. The interior you see here is the new tungsten edition, which also will be available in the 1500 Ramcharger truck. Super premium materials. You can see different perforation. It feels really super nice. I mean, this is next level stuff. This is basically Ram taking the truck interior into the luxury SUV segment, completely over the top. I mean, of course, there's limited trim as well, but now the tungsten is the top dog as far as luxury. Just take a look at some of the details here in the steering wheel, leather wrapped stitching, carbon fiber, all the different leather designs, wood, and a large screen, 14.5-inch display, plus heads-up display on top of the steering wheel right there, and all kinds of additional technologies, and clip system, which is a magnificent stereo system. You can see some of the speakers right here in the headliner. So all of this will be available in the Ramcharger as well. Of course, this truck is four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive capable because it has a motor in the front and a motor in the rear. So two motors, dual motor setup. Total power, according to Ram, is about 662 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque. So it fits nicely into some of the other power systems from the competition. For example, F-150 Lightning extended range has 580 horsepower. The Silverado EV RST edition, which is their top of the line, has about just a little bit more power, almost 700 horsepower. But a lot of this is not about ultimate horsepower. It's about, of course, efficiency and capability. Ram says payload numbers on this truck could be upwards of 2,350 pounds. Towing capability will be upwards of 14,000 pounds. So this truck really crosses over between the half-ton territory and also the heavy-duty pickup truck territory. And in the back here, yeah, this is a limited trim. You could see unique design of the tail lamps. So this is another clue that this is an electrified truck. You have this LED signature going through into the tailgate. Pretty cool. Also, if you look inside the bed, this bed is standard. So if you're used to a Ram truck, you will be fine with this bed. Over here, there is inverter outlets in the bed, and it will provide up to 7.2 kilowatts of power. Export power. So you could charge your tools, power your campsites, job sites, work sites, all that stuff. And of course you have Ram boxes, tie downs, rail system, lights, etc. So I like the fact that Ram is actually introducing this new powertrain, but also giving you familiar features and also familiar trim levels that you're used to in some of the other pickup trucks. We have no idea about pricing. This Ramcharger will go on sale in early 2025. So as closer we get to that date, we'll know more information about it. We'll be able to see different versions of it and see different options. By the way, if you walk with me over here, right behind me here is the Ram 1500 REV, which is their all-electric truck. It has a different nose, different design, different light signature in the front. The rear of this truck is similar to the Ramcharger. This truck goes on sale at the end of 2024, so a little bit before the Ramcharger. And this truck has either 350 miles of range or up to 500 miles of range, because it will have two different battery systems. It will have 168 kilowatt hours or up to 229 kilowatt hours of battery, which is a humongous battery system. It has also very similar wheels, 8 lug hubs, of course, an aerodynamic design, slightly different look, but still kind of a futuristic aerodynamic design of this particular wheel. So hopefully you like this video. This is my first chance, my first time I actually can get my hands on the Ramcharger. I'm quite excited because it's combining power and quietness and comfort of an electric vehicle with a lot of payload and towing capability, and also game-changing range. 690 miles of total range is nothing to sneeze at. It has also a 92 kilowatt hour battery under here. So we'll have to wait and see about pricing, but so far this is pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you next time at oldtfl.com.